how to use the Cook's Project's race timers. Firstly, take some power and connect it to the USB connector. Unit will power on. If you have a data link, then select the data link. Once you've connected the power to the unit, it will start up in a menu mode. By swiping the rear sensors, you can choose whether to have the speedometer mode or the race timer mode. And if you don't do anything for a long time, you'll get just a warning beep and some flashing lights to remind you that the unit's on. So if I select the right hand side, we enter race timer mode. You get a countdown to the race start, and the light's going out and the final tone indicates the start of the race. The timer will count in about 1/3 a second, or display in 1/3 of a second. That's to improve the efficiency of the detections. You run 2 cars through the system. The first one goes through. The LED on the top indicates the winning lane. And once the second car is detected, it will give you the race time, how much it was won by, or the difference between the lanes, and the speeds in miles per hour or kilometers per hour, depending on which version you have. A flashing light indicates again which is the winning lane. You can pause the displays at any stage by selecting or blocking that front sensor, and in pause mode it will just stay there until you're ready for your next race. You can also use the pause mode in any of the display screens to pause the information on screen. If you have the data link version, information is also sent to the computer and is displayed using the data link system. When you're ready to start the race again, swipe that sensor again, and then you enter into a countdown system. Now we're in the race start mode, and we run 2 cars through. Left one again. Notice there that it was only 0.008 of a second was the difference between the 2 cars. It records the speeds and reminds you which one is the winner. You can do this multiple times, and with the data link system it will continue to count the races for you. Now if you want to skip all this data and go straight to the next race, you just swipe the rear sensor and it jumps straight into the race start. You can see the right lane is won by 0.484 of a second, and the speeds are displayed again. The other mode that we can use is the speedometer mode. To select speedometer, we swipe the rear left sensor, and the unit is now ready to detect every car that goes through. As a car goes through, as the first sensor is crossed, the overhead light comes on. That indicates that the front sensor has been activated, and that will stay on until the rear sensor has been crossed. Once the rear sensor has been crossed, the light goes out and the speed is displayed. This would normally happen quite quickly. 2 cars can go through simultaneously. Should one car be going through the tunnel as the LCD display is being updated, that can lead to some errors, in which case a hash is displayed next to the speed to indicate that there may be an issue. The theoretical maximum speed that this unit is capable of detecting in the advanced mode is 1,000 kilometers an hour. If you have the data link mode, then as each car goes through, the display is updated and the time and also the speed of the car and the relevant lane is also indicated. If you want to change the mode, all you need to do is disconnect the power, and obviously to turn the unit off we just have to take the USB power cable out.